Let us continue with the next subtopic, that is probability density function. Okay, so the function f of x is a probability density function for the continuous random variable x defined over the set of real numbers if one, the function should be a positive valued function for all x. Okay, it should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, that's called non-negative. Okay, so it's not equal, not negative for any this thing, so non-negative function. Okay, the integral of the function from minus infinity to plus infinity should be equal to 1. की चल रहे हाँ छोड़ो whoever comes next now we are going to clap for him. Okay, yeah, I'll also clap. Cheer and all. Only thing, sir should not come. Sometime back, sir had come into the class, and they were playing Uno over there. Okay, so the integral from minus infinity to plus infinity should be equal to 1. Okay, so what does this? दोन मिनटं. Okay. Yeah, and the next thing is okay. Okay, let us continue, and the next thing is the probability. So we said the integration from minus infinity to plus infinity of f of x is equal to 1. Just recall from your 12th standard thing that integration means the area under the curve, right? So here what I'm saying is the integration from minus infinity to plus infinity, all this area over here, the sum of all this area is equal to 1. Okay, so the area under the curve is equal to 1. Okay, so I can keep it here. Okay, area under the curve is equal to 1, and the next thing says that the probability from a to b of x lying between a and b is same as integration from a to b of f of x dx. So what do you mean by that? If your curve is something like this, okay, your probability, if this is your graph of f of x, your probability from a to b, So this probability from A to B, if your probability x value lies between A and B, this is given by integration. So whatever function you're given, you have to just integrate it from A to B. Okay? So basically you're measuring the area under the curve from A to clear? Just keep this diagram up. Okay? कौन है अबोयता हाँ ओके ओके किसने प्रैक्टिस रे हाँ ओके ओके okay got this. Let's go to the next thing. Same way we define something called a cumulative distribution function of capital F of x. That is the sum of all the probability values up till x. Okay, capital F of x is defined as sum of all the probability values up till x. Clear? So in terms of integration, it will be the integration from minus infinity up till x of f of x dt. Okay, of ft dt. You won't write x, huh? Okay, just keep a note here. In case you're doing integration up till x over here, this inside variable should be changed to t. Okay, so don't use the same alphabet on top and inside also. Clear? This is just to avoid confusion in the alphabets. That's all. Finished? Huh? Awesome. Finish writing. So let us see some examples now. Will it finish now? So write down the example. The proportion of people who respond to a certain mail order solicitation is a continuous random variable x that has density function f of x is given by 2 by 5 x plus 2 when x lies between 0 to 1. Okay, and it is 0 elsewhere. Show that the probability of x lying between 0 to 1 is 1. Okay. Second, find the probability that more than 1/4 but fewer than half of the people contacted will respond to this type of solicitation. Okay. So write down the question, we'll solve it fast. Okay, so the probability of are you threatening him or something? Hey Vinay, you're threatening him or something? What he did? No, from my point of view, it appeared that you're threatening him because he messed up with your girl or something. It's like I tell them, Okay. So the probability of x lying between this thing 0 and 1 is equal to 1. Clear? Everyone is comfortable with this level of integration, no? This is easy, no? So next problem, B part. They want the probability that x lies between. Clear? This is the question over there. Correct, no? The question says this, right? They want the number of find the probability that more than 1/4 but less than 1/2 of the people contacted will respond to this solicitation. Okay? So they are basically looking for x lying between 1/4 to half. Okay, clear? So now do this. This will become integration from 1/4 to I'll cancel all denominator 2's with this 2 on top and just manage this with a 2. Okay, so this will become 1 by 5. जाय तितली मार्क किती झाले 1 by 4 plus 2 minus 1 by 16. हाल्या क्लास घे ना हाल्या क्लास घ्यायचो ना असो हा एब्सेंट घातलो Okay. Okay, clear? We'll go to the next problem. Okay, write down this. The total number of hours measured in units of 100 hours that a family runs a vacuum cleaner over a period of 1 year is a continuous random variable that has density function x in case of 0 to 1, 2 minus x in case of 1 between 0, 1 to 2. Find the probability that over a 1 year the family uses the vacuum cleaner less than 120 hours and between 50 to 100 hours. Okay? So write down the question. So let us continue. Okay. Who is distributing Old Monk over there? You have Chakna over there, right? Next to a chair. Okay, so now since we are doing this step by step, let us try to draw a graph of this function. How do you draw this graph? This is y is equal to x and y is equal to this thing. So this graph will look like this. Between 0 to 1 the graph will look like this. Okay, so this is how the graph of this function will look like. Clear? It will look somewhat like this. So now I want to integrate here. Say for example, I want to integrate here f of x. So this is what we have to do. Now notice something here, this function has three different values at three different places. So when x lies between 0 to minus infinity till 0, the value of the function is 0. Okay? When the function lies, x value lies between minus infinity till 0. So anyway between this point to this point, the value of the function is 0, right? Correct, no? So next, when the value of the function lies between 0 to 1, from here till here, the value of the function is x. From 2 onwards up till infinity, okay, clear? So integral of 0 is 0. What is integral of x? Okay. This line means the limits. Line means the limits. So it means that I'm integrating. I have integrated from 0 to 1. So this is called the lower limit. This over here is called the lower limit, and this is called as the upper limit. There is just a notation, nothing else. Integral of x is x square by 2, no? This is direct formula, no? You all know these formulas, right? What magic shows you're performing there? Instead of trying to become a programmer, you're trying to become some party performer or something. Such low standards you have in your life. Learn some programming tricks, man. What are you learning over there? Okay. Okay, so this is called the upper limit. Now, what is the meaning of this limits? The meaning of this limits is this is 0. This we say is upper limit. Okay, just substitute for the value of x over there. Whatever value you have from upper limit minus lower limit you have to do. Okay? कितने करता? Huh? I'll take attendance at the end of the day, don't worry. If anything extra is found, we'll punish her only. Okay. I just substitute the value of x over there. Upper limit minus lower limit it is. This upper limit minus lower limit. So whatever is there on top here, substitute, then subtract the bottom. Okay, clear? Okay, clear now? What is the final answer? Somebody calculate and tell me. 46. This will become half. Two minus half is 3/2. Correct? Okay, now at least something more is clear to you all. We'll do more examples, don't worry. Okay. See that counting is done in terms of every 100 hour, so 120 hours becomes 1.2, not 120. Okay, just see the question clearly over there. See, it's measured in units of. Okay, it's measured in units of 100. Okay, measured in units of 100 means you have to divide by 100 everywhere when you're doing these calculations. Okay, so probability of x less than. Clear now? So what is probability of x less than 1 by 2? This is integration of minus infinity till. Okay, but what is the behavior of a function? The function takes two different values. See, 1.2 is over here, and you're starting from minus infinity somewhere far away this side. So between minus infinity till 0, the function takes the value 0. Between 0 to 1, it takes the value x. Between 1 to 1.2, it will take the value 2 minus x. Clear? So there are total 3 breaks over here in the interval. So what is the value of the function between minus infinity till 0? It becomes integral minus infinity to 0 of 0. Here it becomes 0 to 1 integral of. Now we have already done this, so I'll write down directly here. What is integral of this? This is x square by 2. What is half? What half you are saying? Okay. Hey, have I made a mistake somewhere? Here I forgot to divide by 2. .4 plus 28. Correct? Just check. Somebody else. Okay. 200. Let's go. Where going? Where? Picture आगे. हाँ? Tesla price. Okay. Then है तो फुटबॉल खेळांगेला. So what is the value of f of x between 0 to 0.5 to 1? Okay, correct. हुए इधर तो छोड़ा सब था. हाँ बस ही छोड़ो. I think so तो नहीं. He gets into the bus like an innocent person here. Okay. So next question. Write this question. This one. By the way, the question means this, okay? Okay. So by the way, what is there on this attendance sheet are your final numbers, it's what I sent today. So you all are only 58 of you all. Only 58 students in the class itself. Hmm? Okay. Show that area under the curve is equal to 1. So basically what I have to do is, I have to show that area under the curve. So to show that this is equal to 1. Okay. So let me start now. So notice something here, this function between minus infinity to 1. Hey, only for those 2 days you'll have to sign and the extra ko share denga. Okay. So in this region now, see that between minus infinity till plus 1, the value of the function is 0. Between 1 till 3, the function is value is half. And between 3 till infinity, value of the function is 0. Okay. So this will become integral of तारके गेला मरे अरे 30 तारखे गेल ना Only those two signatures I said. Okay, clear? We got answer 1 here. ISA was there on that day. Absent घाला नाही. अरे ISA's attendance sheet was different actually. Yeah, but that ISA can't be conducted again, no? You all had signed on the separate sheet, remember? Yeah. You have to answer the additional one. In case you miss that also, then I'll have to conduct a separate one for you. See, everyone, you all are getting one extra ISA, right? In case you all miss more than one, then only something extra has to be conducted for you. But that I don't know, that has to come from the HOD, has to give permission or something, I don't know. So next ISA is on 21st or something, no?
20
अरे तो 3 अल्ट्रा सेट्स आतो. The one which I sent is on sets. That I said will decide later when to submit.
Sir, they doing weeks म्हटला मला.
20 कितने सांगला तुमका मैं?
20 September.
तो I'll on linear algebra I suppose.
तर तो ISA
तो ISA 2 झालो. 27th no? See, this x can be anything, so x can be something greater than 3 or something. So we won't simplify it further. Okay? Up till x, we'll write it and keep here that x can be greater than 3. If you know x is greater than 3, then only make another part of this integral. Okay? This part we know is equal to 0. This is 0, this is integral 1 to x. हाँ लेटर हेड होगा लेटर पर्यंत फॉर्च्यूनर भी कहा ना थे आइसो ये कौन है था when you win an election but you don't have a Fortuner. हे झोनलातले हातात आहे तो शी हॉरर मध्ये सारखे. Hey, somebody hide over there underneath. No, if they put their hand and just snatch it. That will be more fun. Okay. So this is the answer, final. He's all right. किती? हाँ Naka, I'm not interested. Okay, B part is done. C part is between 2 to 2.5. One thing, when you're doing this finding f of x thing, always integrate with respect to t to avoid the confusion of the alphabets. Okay, integration I did with respect to t over here. C integral
टच पॅड कुठल्या वाटतं सांग
Amazon or Meta मध्ये किती रे तुझे? 10 मिनिट उरले. So 2 to 2.5. So this will become integral 2 to 2.5 half dt. In case you want a G wagon for cheap money, what you can do now? You can buy that Jimny, no, and you get a modification kit for that. Huh? आम्ही तिथले ओढणे स्वप्न धरणार आहे. We just buy Thar and we write Wrangler on it. किती? What reason? हाँ If I had money to buy a Rolls Royce, no, I would not be. If I had money to buy a Rolls Royce, no. If I had money to buy a Rolls Royce, no, I wouldn't be working here. I would have started my fake company and employed all of y'all. Why y'all also would be studying here? She does not even know the spelling of it. She. So there is no lower limit given here. So you are supposed to assume the lower limit is infinity. Have you all seen a Rolls Royce in Goa, by the way? Can I? With Goa number plate.
काळी
Can I? No, Margao there is a Bentley that I know. You know, multi-purpose colleges there, no? A little away from there, there's one house over there. They have Conti. Once when I was going home, I followed the car, then it took a turn there. By the way, Rolls-Royce also makes planes engines. Okay, so most of the aeroplanes nowadays use their engines of Pratt and Whitney. So if you have traveled a lot by plane, there's a very good chance that you traveled by a plane which was using their engine. That's the only way many of you all will get a chance to roam in a Rolls-Royce. Oh, wait. I made a mistake here. Wait, I made a mistake here. Okay, so with this we'll stop for today.